You saw my video, sneeze guards installed. Because these days, you don't want nobody to sneeze on you. Boom. No pine, plexiglass. I don't know how much of it you catch in the time lapse. So that was today's project. Tomorrow, back on the bus. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you later.